Hello and welcome to another episode of CUET Current Affairs. Let's begin. Which state was listed as the most travelled state in India according to the Travelopedia 2024 report? Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka or Telangana? The correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, being the most populous state in India, was the most travelled state as per Travelopedia 2024 report. Next, which system is used for the docking mechanism in the SPARDEX mission? International Docking System Standard, Bharatiya Docking System, Russian Docking Mechanism or American Docking Standard? The correct answer is option B, Bharatiya Docking System. The docking mechanism used in the SPARDEX mission is the Bharatiya Docking System developed by ISRO, which meets the International Docking System Standard developed by NASA. Next, what is the weight of the walk-on suit F1 exoskeleton? 25 kg, 40 kg, 50 kg or 70 kg? The correct answer is option C, 50 kg. The walk-on suit F1 weighs 50 kg and is made from an aluminium and titanium composition, providing a lightweight design for better mobility. Next, who has been honored with the All India Acharya Ramchandra Shukla Criticism Award for the year 2022? Dr. Karuna Shankar Upadhyay, Dr. Arun Kumar Bhagat, Dr. Jitendra Kumar or Dr. Ramchandra Shukla? The correct answer is option B, Dr. Arun Kumar Bhagat. Dr. Arun Kumar Bhagat was awarded the All India Acharya Ramchandra Shukla Criticism Award for his book Journalism, Creative Writing and Creation Process. Next, which initiative was launched recently on Good Governance Day to strengthen Panchayati Raj institutions? Vikasit Panchayat Karmayogi, Prasashan Gaon Ki Or, Mission Karmayogi or Panchayat 2047? The correct answer is option A, Vikasit Panchayat Karmayogi. Dr. Jitendra Singh launched the Viksit Panchayat Karmayogi initiative to enhance the capacity and competence of Panchayati Raj institutions through technology and training. Next, under Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, what is the target for localizing its defense spending? 30%, 40%, 50% or 60%? The correct answer is option C, 50%. Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 aims to localize 50% of its defense spending, aligning with India's Make in India initiative to promote indigenous defense production. Next, in Western India, which sectors are the main contributors to local PM 2.5 pollution? Residential and agriculture sectors, industry and energy sectors, transportation and power sectors or agriculture and transportation sectors? The correct answer is option B, industry and energy sectors. The study highlighted that in Western India, industry and energy are the main contributors to local PM 2.5 pollution. Next, which state achieved zero indigenous malaria cases by 2023, making it eligible for subnational verification of malaria elimination? Delhi, Kerala, Ladakh or Uttar Pradesh? The correct answer is option C, Ladakh. Ladakh, along with Lakshadweep and Puducherry, achieved zero indigenous malaria cases by 2023, making it eligible for subnational verification of malaria elimination. Next, how much did overseas Indians deposit in NRI schemes during the period of April to October fiscal year 25? 6.11 billion US dollars, 12 billion US dollars, 11.89 billion US dollars or 1 billion US dollars? The correct answer is option B, 12 billion US dollars. Overseas Indians deposited around 12 billion US dollars in NRI deposit schemes during the period of April to October fiscal year 25, almost double the amount deposited during the same period last year. Next question, which country is credited with the origins of wine tourism in the 1970s? France, Italy, California, USA or Chile? The correct answer is option C, California, USA. The roots of wine tourism can be traced back to the 1970s in Mondavi, California, which later inspired other countries to embrace wine tourism. Now it's time for the practice question. When is the International Day of Epidemic Preparedness observed? 7th December, 15th December, 27th December or 1st December? Send us the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.